Hi everybody, my name is Jeff Lim, President of Portable Intelligence, and I'm here today with Matt Austin, Supply Chain Manager here at Nelipak in Rhode Island. Welcome, Matt.
Hi, thank you.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah.
So Matt, you're a user of R Plus,
Yes.
and can you describe what was like before R Plus and some of the challenges you were having?
Sure. So the situation here at Nelipak, it was pretty dire. We had no bin locations. We had no visibility of our raw materials. We had no visibility of our finished goods. Because of that, we suffered greatly with our production, not being able to get material to our machines in a timely manner. Another problem that we had was our on-time delivery, getting our finished goods to our customers in a timely manner was very low, less than the standard of 99%. And the reason was because we create finished goods, we did not have real-time entry to let the system know that those finished goods were created, and we had no locations to put them in once they were created. So when my shipping team would try to put orders together, they would literally just walk around the warehouse aimlessly trying to find material. Same with bringing material to the machines for production.
So they're losing hours every day, every week?
Yes. We were so focused on trying to find material and get the machines up and running that we were not able to identify other issues we were having in our production processes. Because when we looked at downtime, it went right to, well, the machine sat down for an hour while we were trying to find material.
Wow.
Yeah. So the situation was pretty dire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what did you do?
Well, I called you guys.
That's good.
So we use Visual, obviously. I got on the internet. I found a company that would work with Visual because I didn't want to try to bring another outside system in, right? Portable Intelligence obviously works with Visual. From there, we had our initial conversations with Blair. He came in. We talked through all the problems we were having, and you guys were the perfect fit for us. So through that, we started creating bin locations. I added some racking to our warehouse for both our raw materials and our finished goods, added the bin locations in our visual system, and then we were able to start implementing some barcoding. Now, that sounded like, oh great, we're going to have barcodes, it's perfect. But some of the things that came along with that were buying printers, creating labels that had those barcodes, that recorded the proper information for us, and Portable Intelligence helped us do every step of that process.
Great.
Yeah. Working with the Portable Intelligence team and some of the templates that come standard out of the box, we were able to create our receiving labels. We would then scan our material to include the lot numbers on the material right into the bin locations. When we needed to issue that material to a work order, we could find it right on the scan guns on the floor, pull the material from the warehouse, scan it out of the bin location, scan it right to the work order. So we had real-time consumption, which was something we never had before. We knew exactly how much material we were issuing to every single work order at the exact time that it happened. When the product was finished, we had real time in receiving the finished goods right into our ERP system. Our shipping team now knew that product was ready and could start staging finished goods. If the finished goods were not leaving that day, they could put them away appropriately in a bin and a rack location in the finished goods warehouse. So it dramatically changed everything, every process we have in the logistics side of our business.
So can you share some numbers in terms of improvements, inventory accuracy, turnaround time?
Sure. So our inventory accuracy, we were able to reduce our raw materials by 33%. And that is in part to the fact that If we couldn't find material, we'd be ordering extra material, thinking we'd lost it. Then all of a sudden we would find it and we'd have double the material.
Right.
That happened more times than not. So that all went away. So we reduced the cost there with ordering double materials. Our on-time delivery, we got that up to 99.9%. We were able to eliminate all machine downtime due to lack of finding the material, right? So our efficiencies went up. They were in the low 80s. They went up to the 90 percentile. And now I'm happy to report that anytime that we have a inefficiency with production, it's not warehouse related, which makes my life a lot better.
Great. Awesome. And you've rolled this out, I understand, at the other facilities?
That's correct. So we piloted it here at my location, worked out all the bugs, working with your team, revamped all our processes, and basically I have duplicated that in our other facilities. So we have 3 other facilities domestically that we're using this system in, and they're all following suit. Things are really working out well for us.
Well, congratulations, Matt. Great job, and all the best going forward. And that's it for me.
All right.
Thanks again.
Thank you.
Thank you.